For breakfast today, I'm making apple nachos. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. I made this for breakfast yesterday and I really enjoyed eating it, and it was quite filling and it totally satisfied me for breakfast, and I was really good up until lunch. So I thought I would make it again today, but this time film it. So what I have here is a fairly large Honeycrisp apple. You could use any kind of apple that you have or that you like. And I am going to cut this into pieces. And the apple pieces are going to become the nacho chips. This is how I like to cut an apple. I cut it on both sides of the core. And then I cut it this way. So what I have left is like the square apple core, which I nibble the ends off of so nothing goes to waste. Now let's slice up these apples. I'll just make thin slices. And I'll do the same with the larger pieces. It doesn't matter if you cut them this way or this way. It really doesn't matter. So now that I've sliced up the apples, all I'm going to do is spread out the apple pieces on my plate. Like if you had a plate full of nacho chips. So there are my apple slices. Let's start topping this like we would nachos. I'm using my little nostalgia MyMini skillet and noodle cooker to heat up some peanut butter, because I keep my peanut butter in the refrigerator and it's not very smooth like this until I heat it up. And see how nice it looks right now? So I'm going to add this to my apples. And I'm just heating it up in this little measuring cup. This is a 1/4 cup, and I put a heaping tablespoon of peanut butter in here. So let's drizzle the apples with the peanut butter. And the peanut butter is kind of like the equivalent of nacho cheese sauce. And I'm sure you can even make a savory version of this, since apples go so well with cheese. And you could replace like nacho chips with apples. I might have to try that someday, but right now for breakfast, I'm using what I have, and I'm making like a sweeter version of these apple nachos. That looks good. Now I could also drizzle this with some honey or some maple syrup. Today I'm using this organic date syrup. It almost looks like chocolate syrup, but you could also use chocolate syrup if you wanted to. Apples with chocolate and peanut butter are delicious. And now I have a handful of raisins, and I'm going to put the raisins on the top. I also have some pumpkin spice pumpkin seeds, so I'm going to drizzle some of these on the top. And I have a few sunflower seeds, so let's put some sunflower seeds on top too. If I had some granola or something like that, I could also put that on top. And here are my apple nachos. I think they look really good. I can't wait to dig into them. Just gonna try this piece. Really good. All of these flavors are so delicious together. Those pumpkin spice pumpkin seeds work so well with the peanut butter and the date syrup and the apples. And that's how easy it is to make apple nachos. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more videos like this one. Have a great day. Bye.